Hello there, YouTubers. Today, I'm gonna show you the 1981 grandfather clock chiming on Whittington. It's set on Whittington right now. I switched the chime, so guys, I'm gonna stay here and I'll put the camera like that so you can see the hammer striking. So it should go off like in a few minutes, I guess. And it always dings there nearby on the 3-6. It dings the quarter on 3, the half chime on the 6, 3/4 chime on the 9, and this is the full chime. So it's set on Whittington, and the clock has problems right now. See? It's gonna strike 11 o'clock a.m. You see? Oh, actually, not in a few minutes. I think it's about to go off. Or maybe I'll go like this. Like that can be. Wait. Should go off any second. Maybe. So it's now 11 o'clock. You might notice that I advanced the clock is because the reason why I advanced it is doesn't keep accurate time. And another reason why I only stay on this side and not show the strike, and it's hard to show the strike very well, is just because I don't have enough time to show the 11 strikes. So, guys, the chime will start from Whittington, St. Michael's, and last will be, sorry about that, St. Michael's will be there, my favorite chime, at high noon. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you rate how many stars I did on this video. And like and dislike this video, of course, to know it. Peace out. And bye, guys.